Hey there, busy hoteliers. Are you struggling to find the time, the resources, and know-how to implement a sustainability strategy that enhances your hotel's unique offering and appeals to eco-conscious travelers? At Greenlux, we understand that sustainability is not just about reducing your environmental impact. It's also about creating a compelling guest experience that sets your property apart. Hi, I'm Amy Wald, founder and president of Greenlux, and I'm here to tell you that sustainability doesn't have to be a daunting, time-consuming, and expensive endeavor. It's an all too common theme in today's hospitality world. Many hoteliers are feeling the pressure to begin their journey and keep up with market demands, but they are not sure how to get started. What if you could unlock the power of sustainability in just one day? What if in just one day, your management team could gain the knowledge and tools they need to empower their departments and kickstart a successful sustainability journey? Let me introduce you to Greenlux's solution, the one-day strategy workshop. At Greenlux, we've spent years working in the hospitality industry, giving us a deep understanding of the unique challenges hotels face when implementing any kind of new project. That's why we've developed a streamlined, effective, and customizable approach tailored to your organization's specific needs. This ensures a smooth and successful transition that will allow you to start making a positive impact and tell your story right away without the concern of greenwashing. By equipping your management team with sustainability expertise, you'll foster a culture of eco-consciousness and empowerment. Your staff will not only get behind your initiatives, but also take the lead in driving change. Let's work together to transform sustainable hospitality from a buzzword to a competitive business advantage. Visit our website or call us today to learn more.